Hi, today I'm for the Xiaomi 13 Lite and I'll show you how to connect to Wi-Fi this device. So just to do that, let's open the settings and then tap to the Wi-Fi section. So just to activate Wi-Fi or to turn it off, we should click on the switcher. After that, we'll see here all of the available networks. Let's, for example, select one from these networks, and if you wanna see this password, we should click here to this icon. After that, let's just tap to connect, wait a second, and now we can see that our device successfully connected to this network. If you wanna share with this password, tap here, we can forget the network, connect it automatically, or just tap here to share with the password QR code with the help of your QR code. Also, if you wanna just activate and use the Wi-Fi by another way, you should first open the notification panel shortcuts and you will see here Wi-Fi icon. Just to activate Wi-Fi or to turn it off, we should click on this icon, and to launch Wi-Fi settings, hold for a while this icon, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.